Fallout tonight from the controversy over secret parts of an investigation into an officer-involved shooting.
The Austin City Attorney is stepping down. Since we first reported this announcement tonight at 6 o'clock, Shannon Wolfson asked Austin City Manager if David Smith would and should be the only person held responsible for the report's delayed release.
Well, my office has received.
City Manager Mark Ott isn't surprised Attorney David Smith is retiring. In fact, he encouraged it.
There's no question that he recognized that I had some concerns, and I think that weighed heavily in his decision.
Ott says his concerns centered on Smith's advice about what information the city should release in the independent report on the Nathaniel Sanders shooting. Smith advised city leaders not to release portions of the report, which turned out to be the most critical of the officer's actions because of his office's interpretation of civil service law. But last week, the city admitted that information is public record.
We relied on his interpretation of the contract language which spoke to that issue, yes.
Ott did not read the full unredacted report and instead chose to be briefed on it by the city attorney and the chief of police. He says he takes responsibility for that.
You know, I certainly would take responsibility. I'm the city manager and the city attorney reports to me. Having said that, though, I'm not a lawyer. You know, we hire lawyers because they bring a particular expertise to bear to help and to guide us in making decisions.
In the wake of cover-up allegations and criticism over the city's handling of the report, this week Mayor Lee Leffingwell sent this memo to Ott, requesting a detailed accounting of the decision-making process regarding the Key Point report. Specifically, he writes, he would like the report to address the role of the city manager's office in commissioning, receiving, reviewing, and releasing the report. Leffingwell says that in order to maintain transparency, there must be a complete public accounting of exactly what happened in this situation and why.
Now, Mayor Leffingwell asked for that report to be complete by the end of this week. David Smith's retirement is effective June 19th. He'll take his accrued vacation time effective immediately. Austin Assistant City Attorney Karen Kennard will be the acting city attorney for now. We're live in the studio tonight. Shannon Wolfson, KXAN, Austin News.